From coop to kitchen, this farm business is working to meet the rising demands for fresh poultry across Jamaica. Here's Deidre Thomas with the business review on Royal Yaad chicken.
I was uncomfortable in the job that I was in, and I kind of had this in the back burner, and I said, why not work with it, because it's actually paying bills for me.
Founder of Real Yaad Chicken, Kenroy Blair, as he reflected on the turning point that pushed him into full entrepreneurship. What began as a leap of faith quickly turned into the most rewarding decision of his life.
I started out with 500, and then the next 6 weeks after we did our slaughtering, we upgraded to 1,000. And then after that, it continued growing. I kept on putting my profit into building the facility, making it a little bit more efficient, because at one point, we have to use wood fire and, hand to pick fowl and them things. So I kind of do some research to get things to make the job get done a little bit more easier.
But the roots of the business stretch back much further to his childhood home, where he would watch his mother raise chickens in the backyard.
My mother used to do it back in the day, and it partly sent us to school and stuff like that. So I knew that there is possibility in doing it though.
Now Real Yaad Chicken has spread its wings, providing fresh, organic and locally raised poultry to at least 3 different companies and schools across Jamaica.
RDNI for one. You also have Cafe Blue. That's one of our biggest supporters so far.
From automated water systems to temperature control environments, Mr. Blair isn't clucking around when it comes to results. He's invested over $1.5 million to purchase cutting-edge agricultural technologies to scale production.
I went on Alibaba and I said, I need to find something that's a little bit more smoother. And I saw this machine, it does 450 birds per hour. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna save towards this. And then I got it. To do 1,000 birds, it took us 5 days. And we're talking about 8 a.m. in the morning up to 10 p.m. in the night. And that's just preparing at least 200 birds. 200 birds.
And no?
No, 3 hours, 760 birds.
Like most entrepreneurs, he's had to navigate a few challenges.
Land was one, water was the other one, because to fill a 1,000-gallon tank, you're looking at $8,000. And then when you have at least 1,000 birds, they drink that off really fast. So just imagine you have to buy 1,000 gallons of water every at least week and a half. It's kind of costly. Then energy. The good thing is that I invested in solar.
Rather than nest in the struggle, he's choosing to soar. Through it all, his resolve has grown stronger and things are looking up.
Pretty much we're working towards at least going to more schools and also supermarkets. But we're trying to structure ourselves to at least to be able to accommodate those demands right now.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.